Hello everyone. In this tutorial shows how to create bucket in an Excel pivot table. Bucket help you group numbers into range, making it easier to analyze and summarize large datasets. So let's begin. First, select your data, go to Insert tab, Pivot Table, and use cells for rows. Again, use cells for values. Then click any number, right click on your mouse group and starting at 45 or use custom 0 or use started at 45 ending at 400 by 100. Click OK. Close it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.